Today unboxing is on the Tomica Nissan Fairlady Z 50th anniversary box set. This box set is a Takara Tomy Mall Japan exclusive, and unlike the GTR, it only comes with 3 castings instead of 4. The 3 castings are Fairlady Z 432 S30, the Fairlady Z Nismo Z34, and also another Z34 50th anniversary. When you open the flap, you can see the brief intro of the Fairlady Z by the Nissan Chief Product Specialist, Mr. Hiroshi Tamura. You can't really see the actual casting on the front cover, but they are presented with photos instead, which looks really presentable. Let's start with the Fairlady Z S30, looking really nostalgic. I really love the striking body color in yellow. The metal base is really a bonus for Tomica model, and unlike many of the Tomica mainline without any opening parts this year, this Fairlady Z has opening doors. Next, the Fairlady Z Nismo Z34. The body color is really a winner in high gloss black. Just like many other Tomica model, this Fairlady Z that comes in 1:57 scale looks really huge. Next, the 50th anniversary Fairlady Z, looking very clean cut with the chrome standard Tomica button wheels. And when compared with the Nismo Fairlady Z, both Z34 pairs really well, and they really complement each other. In conclusion, I think this is an awesome box set, but it's really a pity that Tomica has missed out the Fairlady Z with Wangan midnight color. The Tomica Premium Fairlady Z is by far my most favorite mainline model. With a price tag that is higher than the Tomica version, it comes with extra details. I'm hoping that this Premium Fairlady Z will also appear in the Tomica mainline version, and this casting will make this box set really complete. More videos coming, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!